What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve you another circular motion example. It says a carnival merry-go-round rotates about the vertical axis at a constant rate. A man standing on the edge has a constant speed of 3.66 meters per second and a centripetal acceleration of magnitude 1.83 meters per second squared. Position vector r locates him relative to the rotation axis. Now the question is, what is the magnitude of r? What is the direction of r when A is directed toward east and when it is due south? So we can say acceleration is 1.83 meters per second squared and velocity is 3.66 meters per second. So r is v squared divided by a. Why? Because a is v squared divided by r, so we can rearrange it in this form. So r will be v squared, which is 3.66 squared divided by 1.83, and when you calculate it's going to be 7.32 meters. That's going to be the distance. So if the acceleration is due east, it means that is like that, and the location of this person is west side of the center. Which is gonna be 7.32. And when it says is due south, it means that the acceleration is like that, and the guy is on top of this merry-go-round right now. So because acceleration is south, it's showing that the center is south of the guy. So the passenger is at the moment is located 7.32 meters toward the north of this center point. So that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question.